Hello, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So today, we are doing something different today. I'm going to spin a wheel, and it's going to land on some random anime move from a random anime. And then I'm going to remake that inside Roblox Studio and give out the model to you guys for free. And you can find the VFX inside my Discord server. It's in Free Stuff channel. And please don't go around and ask, where are the VFX are? And while we are on the subject, we are hosting giveaways very often in our server, so be on the lookout for that. With that being said, let's get started with the first move, shall we? All right, here we go. Also, if you have any other anime moves that you want to add to this list, comment them down below. I guess it's time to lock in. After some off-camera mining later, I'm finally revealing the finished product, Hollow Purple, in Roblox Studio. I know I cooked. And also, if you want to see this getting scripted, making it an actual move that you can use in-game, let me know. I might do that in the future. So with that being said, moving on to the next move. All right, let's see what we get now. All right, let's make a spirit bomb. How hard could it be? That took a while, but finally our spirit bomb is ready. Here it is, the spirit bomb that looks kind of good in my opinion. It looks similar to the reference than I thought it would be. Before I go on to the next move, just want to remind you that all of these VFX is in my Discord server and it's in the free stuff channel. All right, with that being said, to the next move, we go. All right, let's see what we get this time around. Another Jujutsu Kaisen move. I guess Jujutsu Kaisen is lucky these days. But finally, I think it's done. Here it is, the Black Flash VFX. It looks all right in my opinion. So that should be it for this video. I will do more of these types of videos if you guys like these kind of stuff. And make sure to leave a like, and have a nice day.
Words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet caves and count my fireplace and tell me where I lie.